Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to flash the stock ROM on Samsung Galaxy A30s. Okay, first we need to check what is the current version of our software, because when it comes to the Samsung devices, we can flash the same stock ROM, the same version, or newer version. It's simply possible to flash the older version than our current. To check it, open up the settings, scroll all the way down, find About Phone, and now click on Software Information. We have our build number, and next to it we have our software. In my case, it's A307 GUBU1ASHC. That's the version that I have. From what I was looking, it's the oldest version. Actually, my version is actually for the South America market. And that's from, not South America, my bad. But that's the version like for Guatemala. So that's the version that I have. In your case, if your device doesn't turn on, you cannot open up the settings normally. For example, the device is looped in the loading screen. You can only see the Samsung logo. Don't worry, we can also check the software version in recovery mode. In my case, I need to power off the device. And to enter recovery mode, you need to have an USB-C cable that is connected into your PC or laptop. Now insert the cable into the phone. I highly recommend to use the original cable or another good quality cable. And now to enter recovery mode, we need to hold power key and volume up at the same time until we see the Samsung logo. And when Samsung logo appears, release the finger from power key, but keep holding volume up. We are in the recovery, and in here above we can check our software version. Okay, once we know that, we can unplug the cable and select the power off. Confirm by clicking the power button. Okay, once we know our version, and visit our page on your PC or laptop, HardReset.Info, go into download, and first type Samsung drivers, click on search, select these drivers, click on that and click on download, then go back and type Odin, confirm, and select the version 3.14.4 and also click on download. Then on the new tab, type SMA307G firmware. Actually, when it comes to the A30 Samsungs, in here you can also type it on that page. I highly recommend to use that page, samfw.com. And when it comes to A30s, sometimes they end with a G, FN, GN, or a GT. You could check it in the software, because some of those versions are, for example, on many markets. For example, this is for the Europe. For example, for Poland. But just like I was saying, I had the version from Guatemala, so I need to type SMA30F7. Mine ends with G. And I need to select the Guatemala. And here we have all possible versions of the software. In my case, as you take a look, I have the oldest version with security patch from 2019. So in my case, I can flash the same stock ROM or any version that is above. Let's say that I will pick maybe this one from 2022 So I just need to click on that. In your case, select the version that you want. Now select one of the download boxes. I'll pick the one in the middle. Now click on download. Okay, it has started. We have to wait until it's downloaded. I don't know why in my case it's downloading like really slowly, but never mind. Okay, in the meantime, open up the File Explorer, go into Downloads, and we have our, let me only delete that. We have our Samsung drivers and the Odin. We need to extract those two things, those two files. You can use WinRAR for it. Right-click, WinRAR, and click on Extract to. Same thing with the Odin app. If you don't have a WinRAR, you can always right-click and click on Extract All and Extract. It will also work. Okay, now open up the folder with the Samsung drivers and launch the app, the drivers. In my case, they're already installed, so I won't repeat the installation process once again. But in your case, if you are installing it for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the whole computer after the installation, and everything will work properly. Okay, now we need to wait until our software is downloaded. It's going to take a little bit, so I'll see you once it's downloaded. Okay, the software has downloaded. So now let's open up the File Explorer and let's also extract the software using the same method. And now we need to turn on our phone in the download mode. To do it, again, it needs to be turned off. Hold both volume keys and now insert the cable. Keep holding the buttons. Of course, the cable needs to be connected into your PC or laptop. And now, click on volume up once, just like that. We are in the download mode. Now, turn on the Odin app, find the folder, launch the program, click on OK. As you can see, it has launched. And now, under ID.com in the Odin app, we need to see those numbers. Because if you don't see them, it may not work. You need to simply have something written under ID.com. Now, click on BL, go into Downloads, find the folder with the software that you have extracted, double-click, click on BL, click on Open. Now AP, select the AP file, click on Open. This one is going to load a little bit longer, because that's the biggest file. So we need to keep waiting. Just be patient. Everything will work. Okay, now the CP. Select the CP file, click on Open. Also remember, we are flashing the stack ROM and all of our data will be erased from our phone. Everything will be cleaned, so have that in mind. If you want, you can create a backup of your data if you have something important. Now the CSC, and now really important thing, select the CSC above, not home CSC, select normal CSC. Click on Open. And now we need to click on Start. The process will begin. You can see that it has started right in here. And it's going. So now we need to keep waiting. Also, if you don't know from which country you have your phone, but I think that you know, if you were typing the SAM firmware, you can, in the search box, you can type the whole software version that you have in the place where I was showing you in About Phone. And thanks to that, when you visit the page, you'll see from which market, from which country you have your phone. But I didn't know that actually my phone was not from Europe, because that's the second-hand phone. It's from the America, so that's why I had to pick the Guatemala. But I think that you won't have problems like me. Okay. The process is going. It's going to take a little bit. I'll see you once it's nearly done. Then I will quickly go through the setup process, and I'll show you then in About Phone that everything went successfully, that everything has been installed properly. Okay, so I'll see you in a second. Alright, we are nearly done. Of course, during the whole installation process, you cannot unplug the cable. Okay, and when it says pass, it means that everything go just like it should. We can unplug the cable right now. Same thing with the Odin app. We can close it. We won't be needing it anymore. And now we'll have to go through the setup process. So let's wait until the phone turns on, and we will verify the version. Okay, the phone has turned on. Let me quickly change the language into English. Click on Start. Click that you agree. Click on Next. I'm about to skip the Wi-Fi, thanks to that the setup process will be much shorter. I don't want to copy any apps. Click on Next. Now click on More and Accept. I'm about to skip the screen lock also. Okay, same thing with the Samsung account. I'm about to skip everything. Now click on Finish. Okay, and now let's verify the version. To do it, let's open up the settings, just like in the beginning. Scroll all the way down, About Phone, software information, and in here, as you take a look, my version has been successfully updated. I was downloading this version that ends with CVH2. Okay, and that's a confirmation that everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.